Hey traders, there are two types of breakouts, the valid ones and the invalid ones. The valid ones you should trade and the invalid ones you must avoid. In this video, we will compare these types of breakouts. I will teach you how to spot them, how to identify them. It will be a very useful lesson for you if you want to learn the breakout trading. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Let's open New Zealand Swiss pair. Yes, I'm on the New Zealand Swiss pair, and here let's open a daily time frame. Look what we see on a daily time frame. Here on the left we have a key level. Look, over here we have a very nice horizontal key level. Yes, here it goes. And you can see just recently that key level was broken to the downside. We broke below that key level with the high momentum bearish candle. We got a very nice violation. We closed below that, and right now we see the retest of the broken structure. You can see that once we retested that level, the market started to slow down. We are coiling nicely right here, and look what I spotted on hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, you can see that once this level was retested, you can see that here we formed this triangle, and this triangle was broken to the downside. Yes, we got the breakout of its support to the downside, and it looks like right now the pair can easily go lower. Yes, because of this breakout, structure breakout on a daily, the pair can go much lower. But the problem here is that analyzing this breakout, we didn't consider the perspective. Yes, we didn't analyze higher time frames. If we open the weekly time frame, look what I spotted on a weekly time frame. Here you can see that we have the price action for the last 4 years on New Zealand Swiss. And here I wanted to show you this low high. If we draw the trend line from that low high, you can see that right here we have a major falling weekly trend line. Yes, you can see that in the past it was a very strong resistance. You can see that many times in a row we saw very strong bearish rallies from that trend line. But look what happened when we violated that trend line to the upside. This trend line turned into a very strong support, and just recently we saw a very strong bullish reaction from that. So from such a perspective, you can see that once we violated our horizontal key level to the downside, technically speaking, we are facing this major weekly trend line. Yes, and of course, from such a perspective, shorting the retest of the structure doesn't look that good. Yes, it doesn't look that it is a solid decision. So for us, it is better to stay away from trading such a breakout. And let me show you the opposite example. Let's open the Aussie New Zealand pair together. Let's analyze the pair right here and look what we had here recently. On Aussie New Zealand pair, we have a very strong structure shelf right here, very strong resistance on a daily. You can see that again 2 times in a row the price nicely respected this structure and we nicely dropped from that key level. But then look what happened. Then we violated that structure to the upside. We broke above that on a daily. Yes, and can we consider this breakout to be valid? Again, we should analyze the higher time frame. On 3 days chart, look what I spotted right here. We have the trend line. Yes, this major falling trend line. And you can see that right here, analyzing Aussie New Zealand, you can see that the breakout of the horizontal structure matches with the breakout of this trend line. So for us, the breakout of structure here is valid. And from that area, right now we expect a bullish movement, and once that area is tested, we will look for buying opportunities from here. So the only option for us right here is to buy Aussie New Zealand. Shorting is not an option, and the breakout here is definitely confirmed. Let me know, traders, if everything is clear with this perspective. Let me know if everything is clear with the difference between the breakout on New Zealand Swiss pair and on the Aussie New Zealand pair. Alright, traders, remember that perspective really matters in trading. For that reason, remember to analyze the mid-term, the short-term, and the long-term perspective. Only then you can spot the valid breakouts. For more education, for more tips, join my premium educational group, the link in the description below. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week.